What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. Now it's time to change the intercooler. I have the new already on background, but before fitting that, I have to remove the old one. Quick notice, the intercooler and the turbo in this video are sponsored by Maxpeedingrods, big thanks. You should also check their webpage, maxpeedingrods.com, and remember, every time you order parts from them, you should always use the code HANDS, and when you are using that code HANDS, you will get 17% off, which is also nice. You should also check Maxpeedingrods from the social media. And like I said, I'm not a turbo expert, but I think this is quite okay, this quality for me. There's also this description. I took it also from the Maxpeedingrods webpage. Specifications, inlet outlet size 2.5. The pipe seems to be straight, so I think they have welded some extra material on the pipe, which is good. There shouldn't be any problems with the flow. There's the full size and the core size. Weight is 3.16 kilos, and it will be interesting to see how much the original Volvo's intercooler weighs. At least this should flow much better, I think. And you can see the compressed airflow rate from here, and this should be rated up to 500 horsepower, which is quite enough for us. And the pressure drop is quite small. I don't know what's the drop from the original, but I think it's higher than this one. Aluminium, and also 2 years warranty. Charge pipes. I had to modify the original one a little bit, and the pipe goes down there, and you can see the new intercooler from Maxpeedingrods in there, and this side also to this point is original, otherwise it's modified, but with a quick look you can't even see that it's not original anymore. Maybe, okay, if you are a Volvo enthusiastic, you will immediately notify that, well, there's something wrong in this pipe, but it seems to work okay. I just took a short test drive, and wheels were spinning, and this pipe is actually, it was a little bit hot, and this side is actually cold. So it seems that the intercooler is working quite okay. I run out of time a little bit because tomorrow morning, it's Friday evening at the moment, tomorrow morning about 4 or 5 o'clock a.m. I'm starting to Malmi Street Drags event. If you have watched my earlier videos, I have been there once with my Peugeot GTI 205 GTI 1.9, and my best time was 1593 if I remember correctly. So now my goal is to do my new personal best with this turbo Volvo. I hope that my time will be much better, but we will see that tomorrow. So the next video of this Volvo will be about the Malmi Street Tracks event. The boost seems to be okay. I managed to get the 1.0 or 0.9 boost, so I hope all my lines are connected properly so we don't have any leaks, but at least now it seems to be okay. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now it's a good time to do it. And I almost forgot that the bracket, there is brackets for the intercooler, so it's attached, but not perfectly. Like I said, I ran out of time a little bit, but when I change the new turbo, I will have to do the pipes again. So that's why I tried to do it as easily as possible at this point, because this is not because I just needed to get this ready for the street track event. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now it's a very good time to do it, so you don't miss my street tracks event video, which will come out next Saturday. Thanks for watching and see you soon.